Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Citibank to an Access bank account. So normally, the first thing that you'll need to do is this will be done automatically. You don't have to do something by your own. But what you'll need to do is simply know some stuff from the Citibank to Access Bank transactions. So, as example here, we are delighted to welcome you to a brand new board, brimming with opportunities and yet reassuringly filled with new things or things that you love. Of course, our acquisition of the consumer banking business from Citi in India's example, so from the first March and etc. A change of this nature will require transition phase. So, and we are committed to ensure that this is a seamless one as example. So during this transition, you'll be able to enjoy the products, benefits, and privileges and relationships that you have been Cumes accustomed to, and your bank account number, debit card, credit card numbers, checking books, and all the other stuff will remain the same. You don't have to worry about anything. And you'll be able to continue using your City mobile app or online, or even reach out to City phone. But the only thing that will change is simply Citibank branches will be now branded as Axis Bank. That's it. The other stuff will remain the same. Important information about products and services. As you can see, if you have like questions about specific stuff like branches and ATMs, you can see here some frequently asked questions. Of course, it depends on whatever you want to ask. So, as example, maybe you are have questions about credit card. You have here some frequently asked questions. You can simply just type the idea of this video and click on the first link or second link as example here to read all the frequently asked questions about this transfer. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.